Hey, Fiona.
Oh, you drink espresso?
What else? With the amount of work we have, everything has to be espresso these days. Management keeps telling us we have to work faster because our competition doesn't sleep.
Really? Not to me.
And apparently the margin of error for our liquid dispensing volumes is too high.
Oh, really? Not with me.
Okay, you must admit, the amount of titrations we have to do and the complexity, it's super challenging.
Not for me. You know, maybe you need to up your game a little bit.
Hey, I'm working 10 hours a day.
I'm just messing with you. See, we started working with a Dispense 6 liquid handler by METTLER TOLEDO.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come on, I'll show you. And this is it. Just one click and it automatically aspirates an exact volume of the sample and dispenses it into the titration beaker. And here, I get the results. After completion of the titration, the beakers and sensors are automatically drained and cleaned, ready for the next samples. No errors, plenty of time for other tasks, like, you know, coffee.
You cheated.
Is it cheating or working smarter?
No, you cheated because I was the one who first brought up that we should buy a METTLER TOLEDO Dispense 6.
Oh, were you? Sorry, I don't remember that.
Yes.
Do you want a latte?
You know, I actually prefer espresso. You should try it. You seem to like my ideas.
Yeah, sure do.
METTLER TOLEDO Dispense 6 Liquid Handler. Simple, efficient, and accurate.